Ever wondered what happens to your loved ones financially when you are no longer around or unable to work due to sickness? Well, that's where life insurance comes in. It's a contract, a pact if you will, between you and an insurance company. Its main purpose? To protect those you care about from financial hardship in your absence or inability to earn. You know, it's like a superhero swooping in to save the day when things get tough. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into how life insurance works. So, you might be thinking, how exactly does life insurance work? Well, let's start with the basics. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You agree to pay a certain amount, known as a premium, on a regular basis. In return, the insurance company agrees to pay out a lump sum, referred to as a death benefit, to your chosen beneficiaries in the event of your death or diagnosed illness. It's like a safety net catching those you care about if the unexpected occurs. The process begins with policy selection. This is where you choose the type of life insurance plan that suits your needs and financial capabilities. It's a bit like shopping for clothes. You need to find the right fit. Next, we have the premium payments. This is your obligation under the contract. You pay these premiums regularly, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. It's an ongoing commitment, similar to paying a subscription for a magazine or a streaming service. Now here's where things get a little more personal. The payout. If you pass away or get diagnosed with a covered illness during the policy term, the insurance company will pay out the agreed amount to your beneficiaries. This is the core of why you're buying life insurance, to protect those you leave behind from financial hardship. And speaking of beneficiaries, they play a critical role in this process. Beneficiaries are the individuals or entities you designate to receive the death benefit. They could be your spouse, children, a trust, or even a charity. It's up to you to decide who will receive the payout. So, to sum it all up, life insurance is a contract where you pay premiums in exchange for a death benefit that will be paid out to your beneficiaries if the unexpected happens. It's a way of saying, I've got you covered, no matter what. And that, in a nutshell, is how life insurance works. It's not just about you, but about those you care about and want to protect. Remember, it's not about your life, it's about those you leave behind. Did you know there are different types of life insurance policies? Well, indeed there are, each one designed to fit different needs, budgets, and phases of life. Today we'll dive into the three main types: term life, whole life, and universal life insurance, and we'll explore their key differences and benefits. First off, let's talk about term life insurance. Just like it sounds, term life insurance provides coverage for a specific term or period of time, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. If you pass away within that term, your beneficiaries receive the death benefit. It's generally the most affordable type of life insurance and is a great choice for those on a budget or those with temporary needs, such as until your children are grown and financially independent. Next up, we have whole life insurance. Unlike term life, whole life insurance provides lifelong coverage, as long as premiums are paid. It also has a cash value component that grows over time, much like a small savings account within your policy. It's a bit more expensive than term life, but it offers the peace of mind of knowing you're covered for your entire life. Last but not least, let's discuss universal life insurance. This is a more flexible type of permanent life insurance. It also has a cash value component, but it allows you to adjust your premium payments and death benefit amount over time. It's a bit more complex than the other two types, but it can be a good fit if you're looking for flexibility and a potential cash accumulation. So, there you have it. 3 types of life insurance, each with its own unique features and benefits. But remember, the best policy isn't necessarily the one with the most coverage or the highest price tag. It's the one that fits your individual needs and circumstances. Choosing the right policy depends on your individual needs and circumstances. So, take the time to understand these types, consider your needs, and consult with a financial advisor to make an informed decision. You might be wondering, why is life insurance so important? Well, the significance of life insurance goes beyond the common perception of it being just a financial product. It's a promise to safeguard your family's financial future, even when you're not around. Imagine your family being able to maintain their standard of living, even in your absence. That's what life insurance does. It acts as a financial shield, ensuring your loved ones can continue their lives without financial hardships. It's a tool that takes care of their daily expenses, educational dreams, and even those hefty home loans. Let's not forget, life is unpredictable. The peace of mind that comes from knowing that your family's financial future is secure, even in the face of uncertainties, is priceless. Life insurance is not just about death, it's about living. It's about knowing that your loved ones will be all right, even if you're not there to see it. Life insurance is a safety net for your loved ones when they need it most. So, let's recap what we've learned about life insurance. We started by breaking down the concept of life insurance, which is essentially a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay premiums, and in return, the insurance company promises to provide a certain amount of money to your beneficiaries upon your death. Then, we delved into the mechanics of life insurance. We learned that the insurance company calculates the risk of your death to determine the premiums you'll pay. This risk assessment is based on several factors, including your age, health, and lifestyle. Next, we explored the various types of life insurance. We learned about term life insurance, which covers you for a set term, and whole life insurance, which provides lifelong coverage and has a cash value component. We also discussed universal life insurance, which offers flexible premiums and a potential cash value growth. After that, we underscored the importance of life insurance. We highlighted that it's not just about providing for your loved ones after your death, but also about protecting them from financial hardship caused by death or sickness. Life insurance can help cover funeral costs, pay off debts, and even replace your income. Remember, life insurance is not just a policy, it's a promise to protect your loved ones from financial hardship. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos.